x equals np.linspace 0 to np.pi 400. y1 equals np.sine. y2 equals np.cos. plt.figure. Fig size 10, 6. plt.plot. xy1. Label sine x. Label cos x. Label fill between x, y1, y2, color. 0.3. plt.legend. Legend below alpha equals 1.82. Color, white, blue, alpha 0.3. Alpha equals 0.6. This plot compares the sine and cosine functions over one full period from 0 to 2 pi. Plotted functions. Sine x is represented by a solid turquoise line, 1ABC 9C. Cos x is represented by a dashed violet line, 9B59B6. Additional visual feature. The shaded area between the two curves is filled with light blue, alpha equals 0.3, to visually highlight the difference between sine x and cos x across the interval. Insights. The curves intersect at 2 points within the range, where sine x equals cos x. Between intersections, the filled region shows where one function is greater than the other. This kind of visualization is useful in comparing relative behavior and phase difference between periodic functions. Design elements. A grid with dotted lines improves readability. A legend helps differentiate between the two curves. A clear title indicates the content of the graph. plt.show.